How to stake cake.
In this video, I will show you step by step how to stake your cake so that it will earn more cake for you. Step 1. Load the website Pancakeswap.finance. Step 2. Click on Earn on the menu and then click on Pools. Step 3. Click on Auto Cake. The cake you stake in this syrup pool will be automatically compounded, reinvested, for you, minus a small fee. Step 4. Connect to your crypto wallet. In my case, I use MetaMask. Step 5. Once your wallet has been connected, click on Enable. Step 6. Click on Confirm to give the wallet permission to access your cake. Next, you should be able to see a prompt saying Contract enabled. You can now stake in the cake vault. After you see this, click on Stake. Next, you will decide how much cake that you want to stake. For example, I choose to stake 100% of my cake, and so I will drag this all the way to max. Then click on Confirm. After that, the crypto wallet will again ask to confirm approval. You will then see the text transaction submitted. After that, you should see this text that your funds have been staked in the pool. So there you have it. Congratulations to you for successfully staking your cake and making it earn for you while you sleep. Some things you need to know. There is no deposit fee for staking cake. If you want to withdraw, do so after 72 hours so that you will not have to pay an unstaking fee, which is 0.1%. I will place the link of this page at the description below so that you can review it. I hope you learned something from this video. But remember, as always, please do your own research and make sure you are going to the official website of Pancakeswap if you want to stake your cake.
If you want to be updated with crypto news and highlights, hit like and subscribe.